Hey, Excel minds. Think the Review tab is just about spell check? Well, think again. This tab is the control center for collaboration, comments, document protection, and version control. Whether you're working solo or on a team, this tab keeps your spreadsheet secure, clean, and professional. Let's walk through it step by step. Section 1. Proofing Group. Let's start with the basics. Spelling. Checks for typos in text, not numbers. You can right-click or run it from here. Thesaurus. Find synonyms to make your notes, reports, or labels sound more professional. Pro tip. Excel doesn't auto-spell check like Word. Run it manually before submitting any report. Section 2. Accessibility and Insights. Check. Accessibility. This tool ensures your file is usable by everyone, including those using screen readers. Important for companies with inclusive design goals. Smart Lookup. Select a word or phrase. Excel pulls definitions, images, and info from Bing inside a task pane. Handy for quick research or clarification. Section 3. Language Group. Translate. Instantly translate selected text into another language, great for international teams or data labels. Language Preferences. Set your proofing language and input method. Perfect for bilingual users or when working on multilingual files. Section 4. Comments Group. Time to collaborate. New comment. Add a note to a specific cell. These are perfect for feedback during team reviews. Reply. Respond to comments in a thread. Delete, previous, next. Navigate between comments and remove them once resolved. Pro tip. Use comments to assign tasks, ask questions, or explain formulas. Show comments, show ink. Open the comment pane or display handwritten annotations. Section 5. Notes, Legacy, Comments. New note. These are the older style comments great for quick, non-threaded notes. Edit note, show all notes, modify or show legacy notes. Note. Excel now prefers threaded comments, but legacy notes are still supported. Section 6. Protect Group. Now things get serious. Protect Sheet. Prevent others from editing locked cells. You can allow specific actions, like sorting or formatting, while still locking formulas. Protect Workbook. Lock structure so no one can add, remove, or move sheets without a password. Allow edit ranges. You can allow certain users to edit specific ranges with their Windows credentials or a password. Pro tip. Use Protect Sheet to keep formulas safe and inputs untouched. And that's the Review tab, the Excel control room for quality, collaboration, and security. If you want your workbooks to be clean, inclusive, team-friendly, and bulletproof, mastering this tab is a must. Pro Excel isn't just about formulas, it's about delivering reliable, polished, and secure workbooks. Stay tuned next up, the View tab, where you learn how to customize your workspace like a boss.